Hello everyone, my name is Annie and today we're going to create the grass field. You can follow the instructions along by going to the documentation for Hology Engine. The link is below the video in the description. As you can see, there are 7 steps to this tutorial. We're going to start by importing the assets. You can do so by downloading the assets from our documentation page. After you have downloaded them, drag and drop the assets onto the asset browser. The next step is to create a landscape. You can do so by going to the asset browser, select Shapes, find Landscape, drag and drop it onto the scene. You don't have to change any settings for it. The next step is to add the grass mesh. We can do so by clicking on Landscape and select Grass and add Grass Layer. Then we're going to add the mesh. We right-click on the grass and click Select. The next step is to add the grass shader. So in the asset browser, find the button Add New, click on it, and click the shader class. Give the shader class the name Grass Shader, and then click the Hology Engine logo button on the top left-hand side, scroll down, and select the last option to open the file in the code editor. After the code editor has opened, go to SRC, select Shaders folder, and select grassshaders.ts file. Then you go back to the documentation page, copy the codes, and paste it onto the shader.ts file. Make sure you save it afterward. Then we're going to create the glass blades material. So in the asset browser, click Add New and select Material. You can name it Glass Blades. In the Edit Asset window, you can select Custom Shader, then set the side to double, and then select the shader that you have created prior. Then at Properties, you can select 2 colors. My suggestion is it looks the best if the top color is slightly lighter than the bottom color. And after you have selected the colors, you can select the alpha map. Then for the alpha map, select the asset you have imported previously. Then at the asset browser, select Models and right-click on the grass. Click Edit. Then select Materials, which is the file we just created. Now we're going to create a landscape material. And this time, we're going to select Add New and select Materials again like before. But this time, we're just going to keep it as standard. Go down and select the color to the colors that you want, or the colors that you previously used that for the bottom of the glass blades. Now click on Landscape, go down to the Material section, and select the landscape material that you have just created. And now, our ground is green. Now the grass field doesn't look quite there, right? So we can go click on Landscape, go down to Grass Layer 0, click on it, and click on Grass. And there you will see there are more settings that we can use. So for example, you can change the density of the grass. Today we're going to change it to 10. And then you can also try Normals Up. Now, Normals Up works the best if your landscape material is the same color as the bottom of your grass. Because when they're the same color, they blended with each other, so making it look like the grass naturally grew out of the ground. And voila! The grass field is ready for you to try and use. See you next time!